Hey guys, it's Joe at 2J. In this video, we're going to cover the installation of the front mount intercooler kit for the SR and the Nismo Sentra. We already have the bumper off on the car, so to make the install video a little bit quicker, but of course if you guys would like a video of how to remove the bumper, just send us a note. We could do one of those for you. It's not terribly difficult, but we'd be happy to cover it for you. So in the kit itself, you've got the three pieces of hard pipe. You've got the charge pipe here, the secondary pipe from the charge pipe, and then the cold side piping here from the intercooler to the throttle body. Your four couplers, your brackets to hold the intercooler. There's another set of brackets over here for the engine cover. The hardware, and then of course these are the brackets for the intercooler that are out of the bag. Once you get the bumper off, I'll just kind of show you how the brackets go. We've marked them passenger and driver for you guys, but they're oriented like this, so they'll just sit on the studs that way, and then the crash bar will just fit right over this, and you just reinstall the nuts. On the perimeter stud, you're going to use the washer that comes in the kit, and basically that just sets the crash bar at the correct spacing because of the bracket. And then the intercooler will sit on top of the bracket itself, and then you'll use the two bolts, the flange bolts, and the two nuts to attach the intercooler to the bracket on each side. And then before we go to the piping, I'll just show you the little stainless brackets that we have for the engine cover. I mean, these are optional if you guys want to use them, but the first bracket is oriented like this, and the second bracket is on the back of the compressor housing, and once it's in place it'll kind of sit kind of like that, and then you'll put your factory rubber grommets there, that way your engine cover kind of fits in place. And then you've got your charge pipe, so these will actually go into place like that, and then you'll use your two nuts that are not flanged to attach to the compressor right there. At the end of the charge pipe, you actually have this secondary pipe, and it looks like it's symmetrical, but it's not. It's actually two different sizes on each side, and the way that you know that it goes is the short side here is going to go against the charge pipe, and then the longer side here is going to go on the intercooler. So if you look at it and then you flip it, look at it again, see how much longer this is versus the other way, which is like this. So the short side goes on against the charge pipe, and then on that same side, on the short side, you're going to use the hump coupler to attach that, and then on the back side to the intercooler, you'll just use the regular straight coupler that it comes with. And then on the cold side of the intercooler piping, you're going to use the smaller coupler there. That's going to attach to the back of the cold side piping, right, which is that. And that kind of comes up, goes around like this, and uses that mounting hole there. And then you're going to use the coupler reducer to go to the throttle body. Before you mount it, of course, mount your map sensor in there as well. And then at that point, I suggest you kind of leave all the clamps a little bit loose so you get everything oriented. You're happy with the way the pipes are sitting, everything's straight. Then you can tighten it up and go. You're going to put the bumper back on, everything, go take it for a test drive. And I think immediately, without a tune or anything else, you'll notice a pretty significant difference with the larger front mount intercooler in place. So we look forward to hearing back from you guys on your results, and look for more products from us in the future for the Nismo. Thanks.